How to change Instagram feed. So if you want to change your Instagram feed, then first you need to launch your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, now here your feed looks like this. So if you want to change your Instagram feed, then there's nothing we can do, but we can go with highlights and the post. So you can add some highlights. You can go with new, which is on the left side, and you can choose the photos or the videos or the stories that you want to add to your highlights or on your profile. Select it and then go with next and add some highlights, which might change your Instagram feed. And the other thing you can do is just simply go with a post that you would like to add on the top. So for example, I want this post to be on top. You can just simply go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and tap on pin to profile, and it will be pinned. In the same way, I want this one on top. So go with the three dots and tap on pin to profile. Now if you go back to your profile, as you can see that your feed has been changed. So in this way, you'll be able to change your feed on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.